Researchers there just revealed startling findings about the toll cigarettes are taking on public health. If current trends continue, they say cigarettes will kill 1 in 3 men in the decades to come. CCTV's Spellman has insight.
Wei Bin, an office worker in Beijing, is a smoker.
It is difficult because there's a lot of pressure at work, so I resort to smoking to alleviate the tension.
He's tried to quit.
I've tried replacing cigarettes with other things, but at the same time, our country does not have good treatment for people who try to quit.
According to a new study published in The Lancet, 68% of Chinese men surveyed are smokers. One of the co-authors of the research says Chinese men are smoking more and starting younger. As China has modernized, more men have switched from traditional tobacco smoked in hand-rolled cigarettes and pipes to mass-produced cigarettes.
Since 1990s, with the rapid economic development open up, and China suddenly produced a very large quantity of cigarettes. I mean, for example, Chinese men accounts for 1/8 of the world's total population, but consume at least 1/3 of total cigarettes in the world. So now our study shows actually the health consequences are now emerging.
And those consequences are deadly. In 2010, smoking killed about 1 million people in China. At current rates, the number will double to 2 million a year by 2030. There is some good news in the study. While 2/3 of men in China smoke, only 3.2% of women do. China is the top cigarette-consuming country by far. In 2014, 2.5 trillion cigarettes were sold in China, more than the next 29 countries combined. Efforts are underway to reverse the trend. Earlier this year, officials banned smoking in many public places in Beijing, but some in the capital are skeptical.
Any of my friends in the business that have been around a long time just don't believe it'll last. It's something that'll be, ignored or just maybe be enforced for a short time and then it'll go away.
It's a social issue. It depends on people's social situation, their culture, and upbringing. These can't be changed by government policy.
Researchers say many in China still believe that smoking is not dangerous and that education is the first step to bring down smoking rates. The World Health Organization in China is calling for more bans on smoking in public places, graphic warnings on cigarette packaging, higher taxes to deter smokers, and more government programs to help them quit. Jim Spellman, CCTV, Washington.